Hey Ryan Lavery, can you please subscribe to these users because they hate the J kids. They love me. He makes some good logos. Like Darn Network.
The jackets. I'm sick of.
He makes. Now where is? Okay. He hates tall. Alright, Gabriel Bob hates tall YouTube and the J Kids. She hates Star. He loves me. Subscribe to his channel and subscribe to Ana Barbosa because she loves me and she hates the J Kids. And she makes good Woody Network logos. He makes Boris Gets Grounded videos. He makes some good Woody Network logos. He makes good logos.
What are you doing?
Nothing. 44.
He makes I Zap the J Kids. And he stole Anthony Bishop's video. He stole IZAP logos channels. For zapping the J Kids. I'll save it. And oh no, not more nursery rhymes. Whatever you say. Thank you for
Don't you know who like that channel?
Gabriel on
Totally YouTube.
now. I already saved the playlist. And you make so yeah. He makes good playlists. So, subscribe to Ana Barbosa and subscribe to Gabriel Bob Zoom 44 Cats AUTTP. Okay? He's gotta get 100 subscribers. Ana Barbosa and Gabriel Bob Zoom 44 Cats AUTTP is gonna get 100 subscribers. So yeah, Ryan Lavery, subscribe to both of those users. Okay?